Hey guys, I'm Prem, and in this video we are going to design 5 interactive bottom navigation for mobile screens in Figma. So let's get started. Alright, so here we are on our Figma project, and as you can see that I have a few icons over here, which is actually a component set. Uh, so I'll just open the frame for iPhone 14 and decrease its size to 80 pixels. 80 pixels would be the height of it. And then now let's name this as bottom navigation 1. Alright, uh, so let's do one thing. Let's get 4 or 5 icons over here for now. Let's go to this assets and drag this one, and we have this. Let's press K and increase its size a bit to 30. Yes, 30 would be great. We'll increase it later on. Let it be 24 for now. We will change its variant to home field, and now I'll duplicate this one, and this would be bookmark outline. This would be Wi-Fi outline. This would be maybe ask outline, and let's get one more icon over here, lock. Let's align this as center, and let's click on tidy up for the equal spacing. Give this a gap of 30 pixels and press key to increase the overall size of it. So we have 5 icons, and all are in the center, and this is our navigation for now. We will duplicate it 4 more times. Alright, so we have these bottom navigations, and what we'll do is that we'll click on this. We will click on this create multiple components and combine as variants. Now we will click on one icon and go to this prototype section. We will just drag it right here, and these are the settings for now. Smart animate, make sure to do that, and this is the Wi-Fi. Let's keep the setting as it is. Now we just need to repeat all this. So this is our bottom navigation. What we are going to do is that we'll go to layers and click on prototype. Let's click on F, choose this iPhone 14 frame, go to assets and drag this. Alright, let's go to the prototype to see how it is interacting. As you can see that we have finally made this, and it is working nice. So now we will create another bottom navigation. We will click on F, choose this frame, decrease its height to 80 pixels, and we have this. Now we'll paste some icons over there. This is our first icon. Let's Let's choose another outline icon. This would be bookmark. This would be book maybe. This would be Wi-Fi, and other one would be lock. Okay, I will click on tidy up and this center. Now I will press K in order to enlarge it a bit. I will select all stuff these and change it to something like this. Now I need an ellipse for this, a tiny ellipse. I will create it right here, make it round and the same color. Now this is in center. I will click on auto layout. I'll duplicate this. The distance is 6 pixels between this. I will click on 6.
Not famous.
I'll click on auto layout. This would be 6. I will hide this again. I will get this ellipse again and auto layout this, great, and this would be 6 again. I'll hide it again. I will now duplicate it 4 more times. Let's create multiple components, combine as variants, and now we need to first create this. We'll do same for these one also. Let's select all these and create multiple components, combine as variants. So now we need to prototype all this. Just click on this and all the settings are same. Let's rename this as bottom navigation and stack tool. Let's go to prototype, go to assets and drag it right here. So we have the other bottom navigation. Let's play this. Okay, we need to move this a bit up. Yes, now I think it is good. So these are our two bottom navigations. Let's go to our third one. So now we will create our third bottom navigation. Let's click on F, choose this screen and change its height to 80 pixels. And let's go to assets and get this icon. This would be our field, and let's get some outlines. Outlines would be this, this, this. Let's keep this three icons for now. Now let's get one more icon. This would be for ask. We will separate this and click on tidy up and press key. Enlarge the icons a bit, and we will remove this for now.
Glad to be it.
Now we will click on this. Instead of frame, we need to use this rectangle. Let's get its height and the width. Get all this over here. Drag it a bit. Alright, so we have these 3 points. We will select all these 3 points. So we will select only this point and we will curve this. We will also select this point and give this a 36 pixel curve. Put this a bit down and we'll remove this frame. Now we need to make this into a circular button. So for that we will press O and create a circle for now, increase its size and the color. Let's press K and I think this, let's group this, let's decrease its size. Now we'll select all this and let's just uh so now take this rectangle and color this like so, and you'll also curve it a bit. So this is the thing that I wanted to do. We'll now group this. Same as earlier, we will just duplicate all this. Now we'll fill this. This would be our outline. Now we need to move this to the active ones. Now we'll do what is that we will select all these and create multiple components, combine as variants, and we will just rename this as button component #3. Alright, so we'll just name this active home, active bookmark, active lock, active ask. Select this, click on prototype, and we will just navigate it to like so, and these will be the settings. Let's do same thing as earlier. Now we will go to prototype and let's change the background color to something like this. Now we'll go to assets and drag this down right here. Now I'll click on this and play. As you can see that this is working nicely. So we have three bottom navigation for mobiles. Let's create our next bottom navigation. Let's do again that. Let's click on F. Choose this iPhone 14. The height would be same as earlier, 80 pixels. And the same thing that we are going to do is that we will get some icons. Home. And after home we'll have book and Wi-Fi, lock, binocular. But with this uh, we will change it to something like filled, and we will also highlight it by writing home. Let's choose the font Gilroy. Let's click this and make this an auto layout. 3 would be the distance between both of these. Let's click on fill. Alright, so this time we are going to highlight home as this active ones like this one. So we need to duplicate these again. This will be book outline. This will be book filled, book, and it was home outline. So we will now replace it. It was 33. To minimize the shows with the spacing, we will just auto layout them. Now I'll just duplicate all this. This would be what, Wi-Fi field, and this would be Wi-Fi. Yeah, I guess everything is correct now. Let's select all these, create multiple components, create variants, and same as earlier, bottom navigation part 4. This will be active home. Now just need to prototype all this. Just need to wireframe all this. We'll click on this, and this will be the settings as earlier. Let's go to prototype, click on assets, and now we need to get it right here. This would be in center. Now just go to prototype section, and yes, I know why it is not working smoothly, because we have a frame 8 here, and it is frame 7, so we need to make this also frame 7. Now I hope everything will work nice. Yeah, it is working nice. So these are our 4 bottom navigation. Now we need to make one more. Alright, so let's create one more bottom navigation. Let's click on F, choose this frame, decrease its size to 80 pixels, decrease its height actually to 80 pixels, and click on assets, drag it right here, and this would be from home to home outline to home field. And now we need to click on let's auto layout this first, and now click on field, and this should be sorry, I did something wrong. So yes, 10 pixel is the radius of it, border radius actually. Now we will just change it. So now let's duplicate this. This will be home outline, and this will be bookmark field. This will be Wi-Fi field. This will be home outline. This is going to be ask field, and the ask is going to be outline. Alright, so this is what I wanted to do. Now we'll select all these, create multiple components, combine as variants, and this is the fifth, so named it as it is. This will be active home, active bookmark, active Wi-Fi, active Mino, active task. Let's go to prototype section and just navigate all of them to their respective active fields. Bottom navigation 5. Let's go to layers, click on prototype, on assets, and grab this. Now we have 5 bottom navigation. Let's click on tidy up, increase its spacing, yes, this is what I wanted to do.